Blender is a true masterpiece. Eevee's realism, the worlds of geometry nodes, great sculpting, and the magic of grease pencil. But behind these great looks are old problems that have been here for decades. We are so used to these old ways that we don't notice how they waste our time and nerves every day. In this video, we'll look at the 5 main navigation problems in Blender and how one tool fixes them all. Problem 1. Control chaos. Instead of creating, you are fighting the interface. Too many hotkeys, double buttons, and being stuck with the numpad, which many laptops don't have. This causes conflicts. Even the default pie menu on tilde fails. On different keyboards, this key is in different places. Solution: the one key principle. We replace this chaos with just one button. Hold space to navigate smoothly. You don't need to click the mouse to rotate or move. Just hold space and move your hand. 80% of navigation is just moving your mouse without clicking. It feels like an extension of your mind. A single click shows the view switcher. 4 quick gestures open the views you need. Click the middle for front view. Double-click for back view. A fast menu for 6 views that disappears right after you use it. Problem 2. Blind orbiting. In standard Blender, you rotate around an invisible point in the middle. You're working blind. Turning on orbit around selection doesn't fix it, it makes it worse. You have to keep clicking on objects and pressing frame selected just to move around. In edit mode, the rotation center stays in the middle of your selection, not where you actually want to work. Solution: smart target. We gave the camera eyes. The smart target system finds the point on the surface right under your cursor. The target marker changes to show the distance so you can feel the depth. Rotation happens exactly where you look. No clicking, no frame selected. You just look at the scene and the add-on keeps you in the center of the action. Problem 3. Zoom, struggle, and glitches. You know the pain. You zoom in, but the model gets cut off by an invisible wall. You try to fix the settings and distant objects start flickering. And when you zoom out, you can easily fly away and lose your scene. Mouse wheel zoom is choppy and distracting. Zoom either gets stuck or becomes too fast. Solution: adaptive speed and smart limits. The add-on manages the view range in real time. No cutoffs up close and no flickering in the distance. Smart limits keep you safe. The camera stops if you try to fly too far from the model. The system adjusts the speed itself. You can work on huge buildings or tiny jewelry details without changing any settings. Problem 4. Losing your view. Working in ortho views is risky. One wrong move and Blender throws you into perspective, breaking your view. And working with the camera is hard. To fix the view, you have to dig into menus for the Lock Camera box. If you forget it, you accidentally exit the camera. Solution: right-click in navigation mode. We replaced accidents with total control. Now your right button is the key to everything. One click in ortho and you smoothly switch to perspective. A click in perspective takes you into the camera. And if you are already in the camera, the same click takes you back. When you enter the camera, the add-on protects your view. Nothing changes until you want it to. No surprises, only your control. Problem 5. Messy interface. You only need the timeline for animation, but it stays open, taking up screen space. Switching between workspaces just to change windows breaks your focus. You either live with the mess or waste time fixing it. Solution: context-based spacebar. The logic adapts to what you do. If the timeline is open, spacebar works as play. Hide it, and spacebar switches views again. In brush modes, hide the tool shelf and spacebar opens a menu under the cursor. Show it, and the View Studio returns. You control the spacebar's job just by showing or hiding parts of the interface. But there's more. We added tools for those who want perfect shots. Align to normal. Just double-click on a surface and the camera matches the angle of the model. This is perfect for precise modeling. Cinema-style camera roll. Tilt the camera for dynamic shots while moving, and with a double right-click, bring it back to a level position. The smart hints always show you which keys you can use right now. It's very easy to learn without reading long manuals. Navigation speed is now controlled by sliders right in the viewport. And all settings are in a beautiful interactive mode. Change things on the fly while you work. Our goal at CG Flow is to create a new way of working. The market is full of thousands of add-ons that make the interface messy. We build deep, smart tools that cover your entire workflow. Tell us, what do you miss in standard Blender navigation? Your ideas help us build the features that save you time. Welcome to the future. Join Flow today.